Hi, let's talk about the Azure Kubernetes Service WASI Node Pool Preview. WASI node pools are node pools for AKS that can run WebAssembly instead of containers. The Azure CLI adds commands that allow you to build an Azure AKS node pool and add it to your AKS cluster. Now you just get your credentials and you're up and running. Let's look at the nodes. You can see that we have, in fact, 3 new nodes, the WASI node pool. And if we go and describe the nodes, for example, we see that the architecture is in fact listed as WASM and WAGI, able to run any WebAssembly runtime, and able to run a WebAssembly CGI implementation as a test application. Let's have a look at the application. You can see we have 5 separate WebAssemblies, and each one does slightly different things with different routes. We can also look at which WebAssemblies and where they're stored. These are all in ACR. Now let's install the application. Once installed, we should go look at it. We'll look at it, then find the node pool. Go find the IP address for that node. And there it is.